This is actually one of the best helicopter hit videos so far in the Ukrainian war, I would say, in top 3. Personnel of the Ukrainian 54th Mechanized Brigade shot down a Russian Mi-8 helicopter over the T-1302 highway near Berestov, Donetsk Oblast. So, they don't call them orcs for nothing. Ukrainians discovered a creative Russian underground position with an entrance disguised as a simple ammo crate.
Жить ящик. Навіть не скажеш, що вхід сюди є. Раз, відкриваєш і вхід. Якісь, напевно, дуже маленькі, якісь буряти живуть. В таких норах вони жили, бачите, в польових умовах.
Russians continue to bombard their own cities. An explosion occurred over Belgorod, Russia, and it was reported about the launch of missiles from Belgorod towards Kharkiv. Possibly one of the launched missiles exploded. This is the actual footage of how the Russian missile was downed in Kyiv Oblast. And this video is not from Ukraine, but from an US Air Force base. How else would you expect us to give children candy on Halloween? Fire mission.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.